Alright, mushrooms. Olive oil. It's the end of the olive oil. I'm going to put some more olive oil in there. Should have chopped some of these down smaller. Okay, we're going inside. Some of these sweet mini peppers. Cut a few of these up. Alright, onion. There we go. Okay. Those cook longer because that's how I like my mushrooms done. And then goes the pepper and the onion. Down. We're going back inside. And now we got leftover chicken and sausage. So I'm making something I've made before. I think I might have shown it, I don't know. I lose track. It's gonna be over pasta. Putting leftovers to use. And this sausage is spicy. Got a whole mess going on today. Alright. Now the sausage. What I'm making is, you can make it with shrimp, you can make it with beef, you can make whatever you want. Like most things. And again, it goes back in my life, and especially my RV life, you use what you got. It would be so easy to go, you should use this, 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 and this. And I will go, yes, I should. But I'm in a 20-foot Class B RV, and sadly, I don't always have this, 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 and this. So I use what I have. And I use a lot of the same vegetables in a lot of meals because I don't have storage room for a whole crap ton of vegetables. So again, it's all about doing the best you can with what you got. Let's go back outside. Alright, so in goes the chicken and sausage. Turn it up. I'll let it go for a little bit. Alright, we're going to put a little sauce in there. Again, my grandmother would be ashamed, but this is Aldi's brand. This doesn't take a lot of sausage. I used this sauce on some rigatoni or whatever. This has Italian sausage and pepper pasta sauce. I already know this sauce is sweeter than I like, but again, I'm in an RV. Do what I can. I'm gonna put a little garlic in here because I like it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this off because I've got the one burner. I'm going to put that on, and we're going to boil water. A large pot, you know. I got this pot-sized linguine. I'm going to put it in. bit more. Alright, there we go. So the pasta's done, should be done. Taste one. Yep, we're good. Put that stuff back on and drain the pasta. So there we go. Pasta in. Mix it in. Not the greatest utensil in the world. We will make it work. I got some Cajun seasoning. What the hell? I'll make it a little Cajun-y. Alright, Cajun-y. Rest of the sauce. I had enough sauce, I guess, to make it work. But again, this isn't a heavy sauce thing, this is a light sauce. We're going to give it some time to cook. And we'll come back out and plate it. Alright, there's my meal. Linguine, mushrooms, you can see chicken, sausage, there's some onion in there, and I made up some trees. I steamed them. I could have cooked it in there, but I steamed them. Alright, this is basically like the skilletini I've made before. It's really good stuff, great way to use leftovers, quick, easy. Nice as I could. I gotta turn the air back on because it's friggin' hot. The UP gets hot. Again, you can do this. Have a great and wonderful day.